Hello and welcome. My name is Lynn and I have a new product that just hit the Cat Scrappiness shop that I'd love to share with you. This is called Cuppa Love. It's one of the latest paper pads to release in the Perk Up release, and as the name might suggest, it's coffee themed. And you may notice that this is a 6x8 paper pad, which I personally love because I do sometimes make 5x7 cards. And so it's really, really nice to get the extra couple of inches beyond your standard 6x6, because that way you can get nice mats and layers for a 5x7 and even a full panel of the 5x7. So really, really love that. This is, there's 12 unique designs and you'll get 2 sheets in each of the designs. It is, double-sided, and it's a really nice weight too. So when I say, a paper pad, really this is cardstock. This is a nice, layering weight cardstock. Has a little bit of a, coating on it. So really nice finish. The beautiful thing about double-sided papers is that you'll find that one side may have something coffee themed or related, but to have this paper pad really stretch for you, on the back, there's going to be a print that is just very general. You can use it for really anything. And that's what's really lovely about double-sided designs, is that if there's one side that might be a little bit more challenging for you to use or work into your project, flip it over, and more often than not, you'll find something that is a little bit easier to use, maybe a little bit more general purpose and not as heavily themed. So again, look at this really cute one. It's got the coffee cups, donuts, and the coffee beans, but on the back, you'll find this really nice zigzag pattern. And so, really, I find with double-sided papers, it's, nothing goes to waste, because there's going to be something that you can use. Whereas with single-sided papers, if it's a pattern that is a little bit more challenging for you to work into your projects, it's just weight on the back. So here you have lots of options. Also, if you are making multiple cards in the same design and you need more than just the one sheet in order to accomplish that, then you do have 2 sheets in the same design. So you do get that option. And I really, really love the color palette of this paper pad, because it's got some really bright colors in the teals and the pinks and the yellows that do mix with that more, the more grounded browns and tans for coffee. So really, really lovely. That's a look at all 12 designs in the Cuppa Love pattern paper, and let me show you a couple of projects that feature these papers.